is a search and find style game. So we have a whole bunch of ping pong balls, but you can use anything that you have a lot of. We have one in there that has a piece of clear tape on it, so you really can't see it. You've got to feel your way to try and find it. The twist is that we're going to just have one person searching at a time. So while he's looking, I'm going to be rolling a die and then trying to be able to roll a 1. As soon as I roll a 1, he'll start rolling while I look and search. So we'll go back and forth. Whoever the first person is to find the ball with a clear tape on it is the winner. Another twist, we've got to keep our eyes closed, so it's definitely only by searching with our hands. You ready?
Yes.
All right, on your mark. Get set. Oh, you want to go first. I'm going to roll first. 1, set, mark, get set, go. I found it. That was so fast. Way to go. All right, high five. So Cameron is our winner. That was really speedy. Should we play again?
Yes.
On your mark, get set, roll.
Got it.
Got it? Okay. So we're trading off. I got it. That was quick. It only took me 2 times. Oh, and you found it. Nice job.
Like, there it is, and she just said she got one.
So he did have it in time right before I said it. He had it in his hands. 2 in a row. If you enjoyed this, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye. Way to go.
I'm so good at finding stuff.
Why?
Because of our big Lego bin. Since I can't really see it, I like just put my hand in there, try to feel the one.